Konichiwa kimono wearers and friends. Today we've got the speed gun out on Paradise. How fast are we gonna go?
You like rap music? Say ow! Come on everybody, say ow!
Woo! Perfect bloody day. Let's go. Let's check out Paradise before the speed gun comes out. It's 1.2 k's. The start is one of the steeper sections to get you going. Better start moving here or you're gonna be stuffed. It then gets less steep for most of the run, but hopefully you've built up a healthy momentum for this section. Wave hello or goodbye to the restaurants on the right before a final drop to the chair and back up. Okay, speed gun out. First up is Hotdog, hopefully proving he isn't a wiener. Tell us your max speed on skis or board. Let's find out who's the bullet amongst us. Hotdog better drop the hammer soon. Less turn, more burn. There we go. He's cracked 50. And 56 it is. Now we got Inga from Sweden. He's gonna crack 60. $64 it is for Inga. Heading back up Paradise. Now it's Ramen's turn. But it looks like Ramen's channeling Cami doing the slalom when she needs Emma Iker doing the downhill. It's a max of 31 k's for Ramen. She'll be looking to gun her second run to take the chocolates. Okay, it's another day and Ramen's turn to do her Emma impersonation. This is already a better effort. Can she crack 30? You bet she can. And what about 40? Come on Emma, bring it home. 45 k's for ramen. Nice job. Hotdog is back to crack 56 k's. He thought he had it. Soft snow conditions didn't help. He is a wiener after all. So that's Paradise and the speed test. See you in the next vid. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. And until next time, stay safe and wear a helmet.